The weather improved the next day, so we got started on this small stone wall we're building under the deck. I cleared out some debris in preparation for the foundation we're going to be digging here. By measuring the low side of this hill, it gives me an idea of how much dirt I'm going to have to dig out. I'm building the two sides of my formwork first for what's going to end up to be a giant box that the concrete foundation is going to be poured in. When I'm satisfied both these pieces fit properly, we set up for assembly. With our prefab sidewall solidly assembled, we test fit it back in its place. After checking with my level that it's plumb and vertical, we put the second screw in. Because this side piece is going to be an identical twin of the original piece, I'm just taking measurements off the one we've already installed to make it easier and faster for myself. This form for our stone wall is now complete,